Namaste ma'am, how are you today?
Yeah, very good.
How did your day start?
My day started with sending my son to school, and he was so excited to join the Periscope. He's participating in the mathematics Periscope today.
So did you have a round around the displays?
Yes, I visited the seniors and the juniors, and they have really done a good job of presenting good models and related to the recent topics. So
Absolutely right.
Yeah.
So which one is your favorite?
I saw the secondary school has done something on the Operation Sindoor and some Dubai plane airport attack. That model I found very impressive in the secondary school section, and in your junior school section I found that shares and stocks model was very impressive, because it's a topic which you all were not aware of. I think teachers guided you to lead to that.
Yes,
project.
absolutely right.
So you all got some new information regarding some new things. So I like that one, and somebody had shared something about the mathematicians.
Oh, like the mathematicians, what did they invent and everything?
Yes.
Math Periscope.
Yes.
What should we ask?
So it was a good presentation.
Okay. So your favorite subject is math.
No, my son's favorite is EVST, and mine too, along with
Okay.
him. Yeah.
So what do you think, what is the role of the teacher taking care building a child's career?
The teacher is the main originating point, where she takes the child to a different level, helps him guide all through, from the junior level through the secondary level, and even right up to the university and college level. So
the teacher should be supporting the student all the time.
Yeah, the mother and the teacher, I think, two main people in the child's career. And in school it's of course the teacher, and at home the mother. Yes.
So we need their support to just grow.
Yes.
Absolutely. So let us do a fun rapid round.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Okay. So what is the best memory of this year? Like last year or this year, anything?
Best memory regarding my son's experience or overall?
Like with your family, overall. Basic.
I found Krida was a great experience when the grade 5 had performed yoga, and it was a really very good performance by all of you, and it was done very meticulously, all the exercises which sir I think guided you, so I really liked the
I
yoga.
personally also enjoyed Krida. It was
Yes.
also my favorite memory.
Krida was good, yes.
So do you like books or projects?
Regarding?
No, just this or that. Like you can choose one
Okay.
option. Books or projects.
I like books.
So you like indoor games or outdoor sports? Like when you are a child.
As a child, outdoor.
Outdoor, same.
Yes.
As a child, we all love outdoor.
Yeah, we should, so that presently you are out of the screen also. Screen time will become less for you. So
You can happily play
you
with
can
our
happily
friends.
play. Yeah. And you learn more also.
So what makes you happy here?
My child has been here since UKG, and the teachers have really cooperated and made him overall, it's not just academics, he is into all activities, and he has taken interest in everything besides studies. Teachers have helped a lot in practical learning plus studies, so I like that combination of practical and
Academics.
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you for spending your time here. I really like spending time with all of you. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.